Hey everyone, for my motor performance intervention, I have chosen the occupation of meal cleanup, more specifically washing a plate at the sink. The client I have chosen is a 65-year-old male, and he has peripheral neuropathy of the hands. This diagnosis is a result of nerve damage, usually from injuries such as physical trauma, alcohol, toxins, infections and autoimmune disorders, or it can be a nerve damage from diabetes. Some motor deficits for this diagnosis include numbness or tingling sensations in the extremities, especially the hands and the feet, difficulty distinguishing sense of touch, such as hot, cold, or sharp objects, a decrease in hand grip strength, and decreased standing tolerance. With this decrease in the feet, sensation in the feet, there's walking and balance issues that may arise. For my chosen occupation, I have decided to do a preparatory activity and an adaptation to help improve the client's performance. With his diagnosis, it will be helpful to do hand and finger range of motion exercises before performing the task. This can help increase blood flow and sensation to the hands. The individual may also wear rubber gloves, which can provide an increased sensory input and awareness of the hands during the performance of the occupation. The preparatory activity for this includes range of motion exercises. First, we'll clasp the hands together and do radial ulnar deviation 5 times, along with flexion and extension of the wrist. We'll then move on to the hands, which we will do digit PIP flexion and extension, again 5 per finger and on each hand. We'll also isolate digits 1 through 5 and do AB adduction. Again, 5 per finger and per hand. Next is opposition with the thumb, tip to tip, digits 1 through 5. Again, 5 reps per hand, per finger. And finally, we will roll a 2 to 4 inch diameter ball between the hands up and down each finger. This exercise helps stimulate the receptors on the palm. Again, 5 times per finger, per hand. After the preparatory activity, the client can don the rubber gloves. This adaptation can also be seen as a safety precaution to prevent injury from hot water or sharp objects. The client will want to stabilize himself at the sink by maintaining balance and posture. In the activity, the client will want to reach for the plate, soap, and sponge appropriately. He will need to grip the sponge for washing the plate and incorporate bilateral manipulation of the hands for completing the task.